Welcome back to Snack Talk 22, I believe. I remember in the last video I was doing, I accidentally said Oreo, but now I realize why I said Oreo. Because I got the chewy Chips Ahoy Oreo cream filled cookies. These were the second cookies on that end cap I seen at the Walmart market. So, a lot easier to open than the last one. Ooh, you get to smell the Oreo on that bitch. These are a little bit bigger than the other ones, it looks like. They look just like regular chewy Chips Ahoys. And of course you can see the frosting like coming out of the back. So, let's see how these taste. It kind of tastes, as you can see right there, it kind of tastes like cookie dough before you cook it, which is awesome. I love cookie dough uncooked. Oh, that's some good shit. But the filling does kind of taste like Oreo cream filling. Oh, hell yeah. That is awesome. Come on, fuck it. That's the motherfucking shit right there. That's that shit. Okay? Another high recommendation for you guys to try out. So if you have tried these cookies, let me know what you think about both of these bad boys down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.